India enacts landmark labour reform. 4 new codes overhaul worker rights and employer rules. In a sweeping reform of its labour laws, the Government of India has implemented 4 new labour codes that replace 29 older laws and aim to reshape the employment landscape for millions of workers. What's changing for workers? The new codes introduce a range of rights and protections for employees across sectors. A national minimum wage floor ensures that all workers, whether informal, full-time, part-time, contract or gig roles, have a guaranteed baseline pay. All workers are to receive formal appointment letters with clear details of role, wages and entitlements. For the first time, gig and platform workers are included in the Social Security framework. Work hours are standardized, daily hours capped at 8 to 12 hours, weekly at 48 hours, overtime must be paid at double the normal wage rate. Women workers get enhanced protections, equal pay for equal work, the right to night shifts, with consent and safety measures, and access to all job categories including hazardous ones. Free annual medical checkups for workers in hazardous industries and other sectors. Free annual medical checkups for workers in hazardous industries and other sectors. What's changing for employers? Employers, especially in manufacturing and large-scale operations, will also see major shifts. The new codes raise the threshold for mandatory government approval for layoffs, retrenchments from 100 to 300 employees, giving more flexibility to firms. The consolidation of laws reduces compliance burdens, fewer registrations and returns under a unified regime. Contractors and establishments can obtain a single license valid up to 5 years, simplifying operations across states. Why this matters? This reform is one of the largest labour law overhauls in India since independence. It aims to bring more workers into the formal sector and extend social security to previously uncovered groups. It aligns labour laws with modern forms of employment, gig, digital, contract, and global standards of work. For businesses, especially in the invest and manufacture space, it signals a more predictable regulatory regime and potentially lower labour compliance risk. The resistances and risks. Despite the reform's promise, there are concerns. Several major trade unions have labelled the changes a deceptive fraud and planned nationwide protests, arguing that greater ease in firing may weaken worker protections. Some small and medium enterprises worry about rising costs, example social security contributions, implementation burdens and transitional disruptions. While the central government has enacted the codes, individual states must now align their rules and notifications, which means real-world impact may vary across regions. What workers should know? Quick checklist. Ask for your appointment letter detailing your role, wages and entitlements. Check that your pay is at least the national minimum wage floor for your category. If you're a gig platform worker, look out for social security coverage under the new framework. For overtime, verify that it is paid at double rate when hours exceed standard allowable. If you're a woman worker, know your rights for equal pay, night shift eligibility and full job access. If you're in a hazardous or industrial workplace, confirm you're enrolled for free annual health checkups. Outlook. Going forward, the success of these reforms will depend on state-level implementation, employer compliance, and worker awareness. If executed well, the new codes could drive India toward a more modern, inclusive labour market, balancing worker protections with business flexibility. If implementation falters, it may deepen tensions between labour and industry. For English learners, terms like minimum wage, gig worker, appointment letter, social security, overtime, retirement benefits and equal remuneration deserve attention. They're key vocabulary when discussing labour law and employment reforms. Here is a clear, exam-friendly vocabulary highlight section based on the labour law reform topic. Perfect for English learners preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, banking exams, UPSC, SSC. Reform. Meaning, a change made to improve a system, law, or process. Synonyms. Improvement, modification, overhaul, restructuring. Usage. The government introduced major labor law reforms to modernize the workforce system. Workforce. Meaning, all the people who are available for work in a country or industry. Synonyms. Labor force, employees, manpower, workers. Usage. The new codes aim to protect the rights of India's expanding workforce. Legislation. Meaning, laws created by a government. Synonyms. Lawmaking, statutes, regulations. Usage. The new labor codes are a major piece of legislation affecting millions of workers. Compliance. Meaning, the act of following rules or laws. Synonyms. Adherence, obedience, conformity. Usage. Companies will need to ensure compliance with the updated labor regulations. Social security. Meaning, government-provided financial assistance or benefits for workers. Synonyms. Welfare, public support, safety net. Usage. Gig workers will now be included in the National Social Security System. Minimum wage. Meaning, the lowest amount that employers must legally pay workers. Synonyms. Base pay, wage floor. Usage. A national minimum wage floor ensures fair pay for all categories of workers. Overtime. Meaning, extra hours worked beyond the standard working hours. Synonyms. Extra hours, additional work. Usage. Under the new rules, overtime must be paid at double the regular wage rate. Retrenchment. Meaning, reduction of employees due to economic reasons or restructuring. Synonyms. Layoffs, downsizing, reduction. Usage. The new codes allow companies with up to 300 employees to carry out retrenchment without prior approval. Gig worker. Meaning, a person who earns income through short-term or freelance jobs, usually via digital platforms. Synonyms. Freelancer, independent contractor, platform worker. Usage. Gig workers like delivery partners will receive social security benefits for the first time. Appointment letter. Meaning, a formal document given to an employee stating job details. Synonyms. Job offer letter, employment contract. Usage. Every new employee must receive an appointment letter under the new labor codes. Gratuity. Meaning, a lump sum amount paid to employees after completing a specific period of service. Synonyms. Service reward, end of service benefit. Usage. Employees become eligible for gratuity even for short-term contract roles. Remuneration. Meaning, money paid for work or services. Synonyms. Compensation, salary, wages, pay. Usage. The equal remuneration rule ensures men and women receive the same pay for the same work. Hazardous industry. Meaning, an industry where workers may face dangerous or risky conditions. Synonyms. Risky sector, unsafe workplace. Usage. Workers in hazardous industries must receive free annual health checkups. Protest. Meaning, an organized act of expressing disagreement. Synonyms. Demonstration, rally, objection. Usage. Trade unions organize protests against the new labor codes. Implementation. Meaning, the process of putting a plan or law into effect. Synonyms. Execution, enforcement, application. Usage. The success of the labor reform depends on effective implementation by states.